Hi everyone, my name is Salman Reyes. I'm from Era24 UK, and now we have installed WordPress on Verpex web hosting. So this is the layout you see, or this is the dashboard you see inside your WordPress admin panel or admin area. So here you can see they have got a very beautiful layout which is showing up their assistant. And what is assistant doing? So I'm going to click and you will see very soon. So once we will click assistant, so this is what he is going to show us. Okay, so now we are going to click next because it is showing this is your links. You need to click and then go to the pages. And this is a tours site or tours tabs that you need to click, and then they will show you more about the sidebar, dashboard management, and so on. So we know now. Next, okay, recommendation features. The features are available and activated. As you can see, the SEO, improve page speed, backups, login limits attempts, page builder, email SMTP, file manager. Next, so next it is showing quick links, what's happening, and what pages are managed, and so on. So you click here and then you can check whatever you need to see. So we are just going to click next. Here you can see the settings, and this is the setting which is showing completely disable comments across the site. So if you don't want any comments that users are going to leave, so just turn it off or disable. Now we click next. AI coming soon. So this is the assistant and another AI coming soon by Verpex web hosting. Now we are going to click on next. Here it is showing this is your assistant. Whenever you need, you just need to click on it and then it will start giving you a short tour. So that's the video all about for today, and just wanted to show you what features do you see after installing fresh WordPress installation on Verpex web hosting. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.